So we are planning to offer the consumers in Thailand a fresh experience in buying a new type of insurance that is digitally enabled. So we are investing heavily in new digital systems so we can offer the most flexible products on the right platform that the people want to buy, for example, online. So we saw that COVID-19 accelerated the sales of insurance online, and we believe that we are right on time on the trend, so we can facilitate the further digitization of the general insurance industry in Thailand. We are also launching our device protection products as part of our Boltec company, and this means that we can offer phone insurance and other device protection for all the electronic gadgets that people might have in their home, which we believe is going to be a huge growth market as people are more depending on their electronic devices to stay in touch with the people they love. So device protection means, for example, on mobile phones, that if your phone drops and your phone screen breaks, we can come and pick it up for you. We can repair it for you and bring it back in your hands within 6 hours. So it's not only that you are getting paid if your phone breaks down, but we offer an additional service so you don't have to worry about it and you can be back online as quickly as possible. It's a very competitive market with many players who are trying to bring in the customers. So I think the key challenge is going to be is how can you be more flexible in the way that you come up with new products that none of your competitors have, so you stay away from competing only on price. So we believe that the service that we can provide and the way it's more easier for us to do business digitally can also convince customers to come and choose for FWD. So currently we are only number 35 out of 53 companies. We really want to grow, but it's not only in size, but we want to grow to be the best one, and we want to be the best digital insurance company. And I believe that we don't have to worry about our ranking, because once we serve our customers the best, our growth and our ranking will improve year on year. But I believe that the growth that we've shown with our sister company FWD Life, going from number 10 in the life insurance market in 2013 to become the number 1 in new sales in 2020, shows the illustration that we as FWD Group have in committing ourselves to invest more and more and grow more and more in Thailand.